The mind-boggling case happened 10 months ago in northern Colorado. Police pulled over Yareni Rios after a man claimed she pointed a gun at him during a road rage incident.
Keep your hands above your head.
Don't move.
After they put her in a police car parked on train tracks. A train hit the police vehicle with Rios inside.
Car was just hit by a train.
She survived with numerous broken bones. As she recovered, prosecutors still charged her with felony menacing for the road rage allegation.
Here's your gun.
Rios pleaded no contest to a lesser misdemeanor last week and got unsupervised probation.
If she does all the things she's supposed to, there's a lot of classes she has to do, then the case will be entirely dismissed.
Night News legal analyst Scott Robinson calls the plea deal a big win for Rios, who avoids a felony. He also calls what the judge did in the case highly unusual. We've obtained a transcript in which Judge Vicente Vigil gave a lengthy apology to Rios for the train collision. Judge Vigil said, in part, "It's clear to me that the system failed with respect to you, with respect to that. I hope things are going better for you now. And so I just wanted to express to you, I'm really, really sorry that happened. No one should be in that position from my perspective. Just incredibly reckless, negligent, stupid behavior, however you want to put it."
It's extraordinarily rare for a judge to apologize ever. Once in a while, on a dismissal on a case that should never have been filed, the judge might say a few words of apologetic nature, but like this is an unusual situation.
The police officers who arrested Rios that night are still facing their own criminal charges. A lawsuit Rios filed against them is still pending.
And quite frankly, it's the kind of situation that if you wrote about it in a book, no one would believe that the police officer would leave his squad car on a railroad crossing.
I reached out to Judge Vigil for comment about his unusual apology, but state rules don't allow judges to comment on cases that could be appealed. The judge said much more in court. You can read the whole thing. We'll have that shortly on 9news.com. In the meantime, Rios continues to go through physical therapy after suffering with numerous broken ribs, a broken chest, broken leg, broken, ribs, and skull fracture, brain damage. The injuries are just, seem to be endless here. She's still going through physical therapy.
So what the judge said today is important, but it may prove to be even more important when civil litigation hits, because there are several lawsuits that are still coming, and that may be a part of what happens in those cases. Potentially.
I mean, that was said in the public hearing, in the public record. I mean, the judge adds credence to the case, so we'll see what happens with their civil case. I'd imagine that we'll see some sort of resolution to her civil case here this year sometime in the next few months. Yeah.
She's a young woman and a mom.
Yeah, she's taking care of a toddler amid all of this. Imagine sitting at home trying to figure out how to walk again, go through physical therapy, mental health therapy, because she is traumatized by this incident, and having to be a mom to a toddler at the same time.
Yeah.
Wow.
All right, Jeremy, thanks.